So, hi guys. Last week I ordered 2 pairs of shoes over the Irregular Cjoice website because they had a huge sale. And I've seen Kelly Eden unbox her shoes, and I thought it was a really great idea because Irregular Cjoice has a lot of details in their packaging. So I thought, why not do it as well? As I said, I ordered 2 pairs, so I'm going to unbox them right now. This is the first box. It looks like a little suitcase because of the clasps it has right here, and all the Irregular Cjoice boxes have little handles so that you don't need extra bags. You can just take the box and go. So the box has turquoise trimming on the edges and has a floral pattern with pink and purple flowers and a yellow banner with Poetic License London written on it. So here you have a little gold ring where you can pull the shoes out. So I'm just going to put that on my lap to have a look. I've ordered 2 adhesive sole protectors because the soles of the Irregular Cjoice shoes have pattern as well, and I wanted to protect that. So 2 of these, and you get like a little book with different editions, I would say, different pictures of the shoes, and then you have like a map with the shoes from, where does it start? From 1999 to 2017. I think that's pretty sweet because you see all the different design of the shoes. So I think I'm gonna hang that somewhere in my room. And then to the important stuff. You have like this little protective layer of paper. This one has the same print the box does, so also the flowers. Then you open that up, and here you have the shoes. So these are the first pair I bought. I'm going to unwrap everything so that you can see. So inside you also have like the same paper as stuffing so that the shoes don't lose their shape. Okay, so here's the first shoe. As you can see, it has a clear heel with like a gradient from hot pink to clear, and then this protective layer on the bottom is hot pink as well. I don't really know where to start with describing those shoes. Let's start at the top. Okay, so the top of the shoes, or the tip of the shoes, is like this gold, I wouldn't say leather, but it's not normal fabric. It has like a little weird grip to it. Maybe you can see it has like all these little cracks, which makes them quite interesting, and the heel has the same pattern or the same leather. Then you have scalloped edging of a turquoise leather, I would say, or fake leather, and then a purple fake snake skin, also with a scalloped edge. And then you have this cute little bow, which is actually 2 bows. So you have once again the golden material and then this beautiful turquoise polka dot material. Then you have like this gold band across your foot, which looks really cute. Yeah, and on the heel you have the scalloped edging again. So, on the inside you have like this blue metallic fabric, and where you put your foot, or the tip of your foot, I don't know what it's called in English, you have like this little hard cushion, which is really cute. And also again you have scalloped edging around the inside, and the fabric on the inside looks really cool as well. It has like this metallic, this time it's not snakeskin, or is it snakeskin? Well, it is like a animal skin or snakeskin imitation again, but it looks really beautiful. And then the sole is like this beautiful turquoise again, and has like little bows across this part. And yeah, I think these shoes look really cute. I'm going to try them on right now, and then you'll see how they look. So, okay, now after the second pair, once again you get a box with these handles, but this time it has a different pattern. Right across the box it says Irregular Cjoice, and it's a floral pattern again, but this time it looks a little bit more comic-like. You have beetles, you have blue flowers, you have pink flowers, yellow flowers, and yeah, you have different backgrounds. Like here you see the pink, here once again, but then on the other side you have a little bit more blue. So that's pretty cool actually. Also that you have like these beetles across the box. And I think that it's really nice that nearly every box looks different, so that every pair of shoe, which are so unique, also have a unique box. Once again you have this little hole to pull them out. So in this box the paper looks different as well. It has like little love hearts which say Irregular Cjoice, and then little leaves across, and the paper is peach. Then you open that up, and inside you find the shoes as well. Here's what this pair looks like. I'm going to take out everything inside. Like you get this little thing to hold them in shape. And once again, the tissue paper. So, here's what the shoe looks like. It's just a little black heel. Actually, from afar I think it doesn't look as pretty as it is. Let's start at the top of the shoe, or the tip of the shoe again. You have all around the shoe you have this beautiful lace with flowers embroidered, and the thread they're embroidered with is black but has sparkly bits. So it's not just plain black, but it has a little bit of something special. Then you have a beautiful bow again, which is pretty big and looks so cool because it's not flat, but it sticks up. Yeah, around here, the trimming around the opening of the shoe is scalloped again. And I think the back of the shoe has a quite interesting shape because it dips out and back in. It's not just like a half circle. And the fabric at the back of the shoe is like this golden fabric we had before. It's a little bit structured and metallic as well. I think it's really pretty because it picks up the silver sheen of the flowers. Then the inside of the shoe, so maybe you can see, I don't know, this fabric or this part of the shoe, oops, this part of the shoe is see-through, so it's really good that they put some felt or another fabric in the tip of the shoe so that you don't irritate your toes. Then the inside, so you have like this beautiful rose gold snake skin, or fake snake skin rather, and then this beautiful blue and gold flowered fabric which says Irregular Cjoice. It says iconic. So Irregular Cjoice iconic. And then this little bit and all the trimming around the shoe is gold. And the sole has like this beautiful pattern from the box. So once again, blue flowers, pink flowers, yellow flowers, and some beetles. And I'm really glad that I bought these protective layers because the soles look just so stunning. Just all the detail, and all the detail also inside the shoe, which nobody gets to see. It's just the owner that knows that there's something special inside. And I'm really happy with those shoes. So I'm going to try these on right now. So I'm really happy with both pairs I got. I think they're both something very special, but also you could wear every day. I could see myself wear those shoes lots and lots of time over and over again. But also these ones, because I don't have any black shoes like these. So it's a nice addition to the collection. And also I don't have like small heels like these two have. So I'm really happy with those shoes. They're just a little bit tight around here, but that's something I think that will change when I wear them more often, or when I get to wear them. Because they have to adapt to the shoe, to the foot, as every shoe has to. So yeah, I hope you liked that unboxing. I know that my English is not perfect, my grammar as well, so please excuse that. But nonetheless, I hope you liked the video, and goodbye.